Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi e-tron GT and the Tesla Model S. We'll explore how these two luxury electric sedans stack up against each other in key areas, from their distinct design philosophies to their impressive performance capabilities. Will help you understand what makes each vehicle unique. Get ready for a detailed look at these electric powerhouses. When it comes to raw power, both cars impress. The Audi e-tron GT can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.1 seconds in its RS performance trim. The Tesla Model S Plaid is even quicker, achieving 0 to 60 in a blistering 1.99 seconds. For range, the Model S generally offers more, with its long-range variant capable of traveling over 400 miles on a single charge. The e-tron GT offers a respectable range of up to 300 miles. Inside, the Audi e-tron GT provides a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials like fine leather and suede. It integrates a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Tesla Model S takes a more minimalist approach, dominated by its large central touchscreen. It also includes a secondary screen for rear passengers and a powerful 22-speaker audio system for an immersive experience. Charging speeds are crucial for electric vehicles. The Audi e-tron GT supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing it to replenish a significant portion of its battery in under 20 minutes. Tesla's extensive supercharger network also offers rapid charging, providing hundreds of miles of range in a short time. In terms of pricing, the Model S typically starts at a lower price point than the e-tron GT, though both offer various trims and options. Be sure to check the description for links to other deals and products, like those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.